2 days. Ardent Miller Basaiawmoit, who was recently elected to the State Assembly from Nongkrem constituency, today held a meeting at Smith to thank his supporters. Speaking to his supporters, he said many were surprised that his party had won 4 seats in the recent election. The Voice of the People party had failed those intellectual people with regard to the election, and some of them had even predicted that we would not win a single seat. He also said he accepted the decision of the people to elect only 4 of them to the Legislative Assembly. The VPP president stated that the party won over money power.
Haka prediction ke jongki, haka jing batai ke jongki, labo jing Kenya ke VPP, zero lani UAA. Kadang-kadang ke jing Kenya ke jing dia, jong kita kibri kita start haka Kenya ke dia, ha kita milih election. Ngai orang ngai job saw, ngilaram salit hamlim tang lai bupra. Ngilawan baar balai basar bagi bubun ki konstituensi lapin sayong ngan. Yaki pa ki start ken jing ken aga politics.